dito ng 2023, 10 years. Dinadala niya yung gamit ko. Nasa Ottawa ako, dinala niya sa Hamilton.
Oh, wow.
In-encourage niya ako. Yes, kaya ako nakapunta ng Hamilton. Pero sa Ottawa talaga ako. Dinala, sabi niya, alam mo, ang dami ko nang tinapon na gamit ng baby ko, pero yung gamit mo hindi ko talaga tinapon. Kasi parang may kutob ako na babalik ka sa amin.
Amazing, amazing. So, you know what? I think you have to give this, you have to give this good news dun sa employer mo. Hindi ko sinabi sa kahit sino. And then tell them, thank you so much dahil nandun yung trust nila and nandun din yung kanilang pakikisama. Without them,
after that, you know,
I always say,
after everything, and then I explained to them, sabi niya, yes, we trust her, she's very nice. And then said, yes, I told you.
I know. Pero siyempre, itong trabaho ko na to, hindi ito assurance, hindi 100%. I never give 100% and I never sugar-coated. I know is that gaano man ka-simple yung case or gaano man ka-strong, nandun sa between si Lord, honestly. So in between of my process, in between of my work, I pray before I submit the application. Now, pag na-refuse man, hindi ko naman sinabi kasing 100% lahat, di ba? Pag na-refuse man, that means it's not the employer, it's not me, it's not the employee, it is not yet time. Di ba like yung nangyari sa'yo?
Yes, Lorraine.
I know.
Napakabilis.
Ang bilis, Imagine, April ka nagpa-consult sa akin. May tayo nakapasok na ng LMIA. June, nakalabas na yung LMIA. Ang bilis. The reason is, it's not me. It is your employer who provided me all the documentation on time. Ang bilis niya. Nag-advertise pa nga kayo eh. And ako din nag-advertise. But, the good thing is that, nandun yung, kasi nga it's a teamwork when you process something or when you represent someone. Hindi lang ako, hindi porke binayadan nyo na ako. Ako na lahat, hindi ganun eh. Hindi naman ganun yung sistema. And wala akong intention to fool anybody, but my intention is to fight for you in the battleground. And that's exactly as what I've told you before. Kung ano man yung ginawa ko kay Belt, gagawin ko rin sa inyo. That's exactly what I do.
Thank you so much, Lorraine. No, God bless. I love you talaga.
You love me na? Oh my gosh.
Ganyan ako ka-sweet. Tanungin mo kay Beth.
Really? Hindi ko alam yun.
Kung sa aking mga friends, makikita mo sa Facebook ko, Ma'am.
In the battleground, nasa immigration battleground tayo when you want to get that work permit. Simple pa lang work permit. Pero step by step hindi ito magical na pinanganak ka sa Canada right away, magiging citizen na. Ang isang nag-asawa ng Canadian or permanent resident, may process pa rin eh. How much more sa inyo ng mga tourist visa? So that's exactly what we do. I've gone through with that. I process my papers too.
Kasi napakahirap sa amin kasi tourist kami visit.
Yes, you do. You do. Kasi nga, di ba, sa labas yan. So, ang mangyayari nito, you have option to go. Nakikita mo yung post ko. Siguro wag ka na lang umuwi sa Pilipinas. Go to Mexico or any place na pwede kang bumalik ka agad-agad after few days siguro or after one day even though.
Sa Mexico na lang kasi yung...
Pakita mo yung passport request na yan, na-approve ka na, pakita mo sa kanila, then print out na yung, permit mo. So, ngayon, magiging work permit status ka na. And, the good news is that caregiver program ka. Ibig sabihin, work for 6 months, okay? Work for 6 months. Pag nag-open ng PR application, pwede ka nang mag-apply ng PR. Now, what I always tell to everyone, listen, sabi nila, sarado na, right? Sabi nila, walang LMIA. Pag nagpa-LMIA ka under caregiver or nanny, ang sabi, pag tourist visa holder ka, pure tourist visa like you, ibabalik yung application. Yes, I believe that and I always maintain to actually every consultation, I tell everyone about this, right? Yung restriction ng ministerial instruction. No LMIA application-based work permit na caregiver or nanny. Pag tourist visa ka, you did that in the opposite way because you believe that andyan si Lord and na-approvean ka. Amazing.
Thank you. Alam mo, Ma'am Norlin, bago pa yan dumating, meron akong post na, nakalagay talaga na, Thank you, Lord. Thank you for the blessings, answered prayer. Talagang, nung isang araw lang, yung kahapon lang ako nag-post nito.
Oh my
Kasama yung
God.
kaibigan. And then I said, God has perfect
It's
timing,
great,
never
no?
early, never late. It takes a little patience and a whole lot of faith by it is. Worth to wait, sabi ko.
Ang galing, ano? Ang galing. And eto pa ang maganda, mayroon siyang PR pathway. Itong experience na to,
Yes.
there's a PR pathway. Kaya, you know what?
You're the
This is
best,
your
Mama
time.
Ren. You're the best. You're the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Anyway, I sent you the passport request or yung approval ng work permit mo kasi so approve siya. Amazing day kasi hindi ka nag-iisa. Dalawa kayong nakapasa. Dalawang work permit based LMIA nanny naman yung isa, ikaw elderly
Congrats,
caregiver.
Mama
Ano na,
Ren,
home support worker.
too.
So again,
Congrats talaga sa'yo.
I know everyone says wala na yan. Forget about it.
Oo, yun
Diba?
talaga sinasabi nila sa akin, no, wala yan, hindi na yan.
You
hindi
didn't
yan,
believe kasi
hindi yan
naniwala ka kay Lord eh. So that's the thing. I mean,
Yeah.
you know what, honestly, I am not religious. Ay, hindi rin ako nagpe-preach dito, pero I believe in prayers. I'm telling you. So anybody out there, kapag ka ikaw, lalo na ikaw, lahat ng nakakasalamuha mo, if everyone out there is losing their hope, pero kung hindi ka lalaban at hindi ka magiging resilient, believe me, talunan ka. But you have to push through, you have to go forward. And that's exactly what you are going to do out there. Use your platform, use your, kung ano yung experience mo para ma-inspire mo ang tao, hindi negative. Okay? So this is what I want you to do. Inspire people dahil habang may buhay, habang nasa loob ng Canada, habang may buhay. Yun ang dalawa kong sinasabi, may pag-asa. Dahil mayroon tayong faith.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah. Yung pinaka-importante sa lahat, yung faith natin sa
Yeah.
Panginoon. Kasi siya ka namin yung ganito. Kasi
Mahirap.
kahit
Laban
yung
talaga
friend
eh.
ko,
Sugal.
Oo, yung mga friend ko sabi, bakit hindi ka na lang dito sa hotel? Kasi may LMIA. So sabi ko, wala naman akong pag-asa dyan kasi syempre, alam mo na, gusto ko naman yung pamilya ko pupunta dito. Eh kung,
Yeah,
kung yun
correct.
lang naman, tapos wala akong pamilya, anong gagawin ko? Masisira lang yung pamilya ko sa kakantay sa akin.
That's true.
Oo.
So, you know
Oh,
what?
thank you so
Right
much.
now, take your off when you get the chance. Magkape ka sa labas. Then, savor the joy.
Naka-off ako. Nandito ako sa
So
bahay
you
dito.
should jump and nakuha mo na yung request, yung approval, you should jump because God has opened door for you this time in Canada. I know that you came here as tourist, but this time work permit holder ka na. So be proud sa sarili mo dahil alam mo kung sino at saan ka pupunta, which is ang Panginoon. So God's dealing ito. Miracle. Okay? So congratulations.
Thank you so much. And by the way, ano gagawin ko pala sa passport ko?
Hindi wag na, wag. Go out. Dalhin mo yung passport
Okay.
request letter. Go out, then ipakita mo na yan pagpasok mo. Kasi the reason is mayroon kang ETA. Before, it was all, kailangan ipasa mo yung passport mo dahil hindi ka makakapasok ng Canada without that re-entry. But you have ETA. The good thing is, the new rule, having an ETA, if you are passport holder, kaya nagagawa natin to going in and out tayo without that work permit application or work
So,
permit.
papakita ko ito pag out ko or pag
No, hindi,
pasok ko.
yung pag-out mo, like for example, pupunta ka sa Mexico, siyempre,
Oo.
hindi Mexico work permit ang bibigay sa'yo. Pag-out mo, siyempre, pakita mo passport mo, and then, babalik, pakita mo ETA mo, kasi yun ang re-entry, then, ipakita mo yung letter, then they will print out yung original work permit mo.